Hello, my name is Ariel Shanae and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching all my ladies with microbladed eyebrows how to fill in their brows for a more fuller, natural, everyday look. And if you guys want to see how I got these fuller, natural brows, continue on watching. First, I'm going to start off by using a makeup wipe remover, removing any excess oil off of my brows just so my products can stick well to my skin. Now I'm just taking a spoolie brush showing you guys that my eyebrows are microbladed and they are a little dark, and I will be making them a little bit lighter in this video. Next, I'm going to use my multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and I'll be lightly brushing the concealer onto a spoolie brush, brushing the concealer all the way through my brows. With this step, you want to make sure you use a concealer close to your skin tone because you don't want that highlighted halo eyebrow effect. You want your eyebrows to look as natural as possible. Now you're going to take a beauty blender and press the product into your brows. Now I'm going to set my brows with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Setting Powder. Also, you guys want to choose a powder close to your skin tone when doing this step as well. Now you want to brush your eyebrow hairs up the way they grow so you can have a better view of how you want to start filling in your eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Brown, and I'll be outlining my desired shape of my brows, starting from the bottom to the top. Okay, same thing for the top of your brows. You want to brush your eyebrow hair straight down so you can have a better view of how you want to outline the top of your brows. Now I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs back the way they grow and lightly fill them in, doing hair-like strokes. Also, when you start filling them in, you want to start a little bit behind the front of the eyebrow for that natural ombre effect. Next, you want to blend everything out so it doesn't look as harsh, rather more natural. Now for the front of my brows, I'll be filling my eyebrows in with my NICKAK eyebrow pencil in the shade Chocolate, doing hair-like strokes. Notice that I'm using a lighter eyebrow pencil for that ombre effect. Now I'm just going to blend everything out, making sure the brow stays looking natural as possible. Next, I'm going to use my multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch once again to clean up around my eyebrows. When doing this step, you want to make sure that your brush is flatly lathered in product so you can have a nice, clean, precise shape. You also want to do short strokes when cleaning around your brows so you don't have to worry about messing up. Next, I'm going to use my multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Cookie, which is a lighter concealer, to highlight the brow bone area of my eyebrow. Now I'm just using a brush to blend that out and using a beauty blender to blend out the top of my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent setting powder, and I'll be placing that only in the front of my eyebrow, and this is just ensuring the ombre effect from light to dark. Lastly, I'll be using my Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter gel, and I'll be combing that all through my brows, ensuring that my brows stay put all day. And this gel really does make your eyebrows stay put all day. This is one of my favorite eyebrow gels. Alright you guys, now I'm just showing you guys what one eyebrow looks like done and the other one not. And I'll be doing the other one off of camera. Alright you guys, this is the ending result. I really love the way my brows turned out. And if you guys love the way they turned out as well, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!